I think this
You
is
experimented.
the oven of the future. It was amazing what we can do with this oven. Oh my God, that's soft, that is crunchy. Oh, hello guys from my studio Copelli and welcome back to my channel. Like the title say, I'm super excited. Guys, we find and I'm super happy to show you the future of a pizza oven. How many of you try to use a wood burning oven, a gas oven, and have so many problems? Today, I'm going to show you a pizza oven that can make a pizza romana, a pizza thin and crispy, a Neapolitan pizza soft and crunchy, but most importantly, guys, take a look. We have a focaccia. I mean, take a look how this focaccia was cooked. The bottom just come out. I made all this product in just less than 30 minutes. Watch until the end because you need to understand the future pizza, what it's going to. Let's start this video with a special guest, my friend from Pizza Group. Thank you so much. You saved my life, my friend. I want you to taste this focaccia. Taste. I want to hear. It's a diagram.
My God, I'm so happy I came today. This is incredible. It's much more than I expected.
We'll wait to see much more. Okay, René, let's start this interview in tech. We're gonna get in deep of what I think of this pizza oven.
Absolutely.
Because I believe this is the best electric oven in the market.
Oh, that's important.
So,
Huge.
ask me all the questions that you want, technical possible. This way they understand what I think. What's the future of pizza oven, where we're going. So
Perfect.
tell me.
So what do you do in here? What do you do in this beautiful studio that I see?
So, like you can see, this is a studio, full studio. We have a professional kitchen, a home kitchen to teach and show everybody what pizza means. We do different style of pizza. We do focaccia, Neapolitan style, Detroit style, New York style, Bari style, pizza, romana.
Everything.
Yeah, everything.
Fantastic. So you've had this since your grand opening?
Yes. I didn't test it.
Brand new?
You sent this oven, I didn't test the oven at all. So I was...
a blind taste test, a blind trial.
I was seriously a blind test, and then because this, I didn't trust. You say, I want to send an electric oven. I say, electric oven, are you sure about that? Because I'm into the wood oven burning.
Yeah.
If I cannot put the wood burning oven, we say, okay, I'm going to put a gas option. So we have a gas option right there. Because I say, if this oven doesn't work, I'm going to send it back.
A plan B.
Ask the money back and get a gas oven, switch it with, because you guys sell also gas oven, no?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. I have a question for you. Why 550? I guess is the degrees, the temperature?
Yes. So in Celsius,
550 Celsius?
is the temperature that we can reach inside the chamber. When we go to max temp, we exceed over 550 degrees Celsius. We needed an oven that could perform for Napoli style,
yes.
But we developed it with some interesting features that hopefully later you tell us what you think, to be able to do a lot more than just Napoli style.
I think this
you
is
experimented.
This is the oven of the future, because the future is we cannot put wood burning oven anymore. We have to be realistic. The future of the pizza oven, it's this. And this is not a sponsor or paid video. I say, let's make a video. The people are gonna know.
So now we're converting
They're gonna know. First question, let's go. Tell me.
So this oven was delivered here, one big block, right? One big piece.
Total mess. Did you see how big are the
I
doors?
remember the video.
Yeah. Actually,
how was it getting it in?
Completely messed. I didn't think about it. So you got this truck. I said, the guy, my friend, you're Italian. Let's go. Bring this oven in. We opened the door. We landed the back door of the truck right on the inside, almost inside. So what we did, this guy
came in,
rolled it in. Little by little. We break a little bit the floor, but this one was inside.
So that's important.
Yes.
If you can install here, I think you can install almost anywhere. Almost
man.
anywhere. It was a difficult install. We managed.
Yeah.
So what can I ask you? This oven, we told you had a hood with a light, with an exhaust system, with a venting, the chamber, and a proofer on the bottom. What did you think at first, and what do you think now? Useful? Do you like the trio?
People don't know there is electric, but this is the beauty of the oven. There is it looks like a wood burning oven or a gas oven, so it looks good. This light is fantastic because when it comes out the pizza, you actually see it better. The look of the pizza, good.
It's different in the chamber than when it's here.
Yeah, it's totally different. Inside you can see because you have a light. You can see the color of the pizza, so it's you need it.
Yeah.
So it's like the color of the flame. That's also good because it's a little bit yellowish. It gives the color of the flame, so it's good. Oh, I'm gonna ask you the question.
Yeah, okay.
One question for me, one question for you. Where do you ship this oven, or where you can ship this oven?
This oven, the 550, is available for entirely the whole world except for USA and Canada for now. It's coming soon. What are you seeing in terms of energy consumption? Is this an efficient oven?
This is 16 kilowatt, but I have to say that the cost is not that much because when you put you see this door? Look how thick it is. When you put this door in, the oven goes like in standby. You save so much energy because the oven stays off. Right now it's been off all time, and then it's still the temperature. It's like that. It doesn't go low. But if you keep it open, like every maybe 15-20 minutes it goes on. Every time it goes on, consume electricity.
Just to bring the temperature back
so
up.
This one, the door is electricity saver. So I have to say the consume I don't think is that much. I think you consume much more with wood and gas because also gas is expensive. This actually electricity is perfect for United States because electricity bills are really low in US.
What do you think of the performance of this oven in terms of cooking a Napoli-style pizza, based on your experience?
Good question. You know, I've been using it the first day without this oven at all. We made 350 pizzas in 3 hours. Like 99% of the electric ovens, once you put pizza every time, the bottom of the pizza drops on the bottom. But this is, if you notice that the bottom of the pizza, the stone is not smooth. This line like this, what happened? See, now it goes on. So now I close it, I want to save electricity, you know what I mean? It's too expensive. Let's wait. So what I was saying, so you imagine you have this, like this. The pizza, it goes on top. And then you have this line where the doesn't touch the bottom. Those grooves inside, it stays super hot. So it doesn't lower down the temperature. That gives the perfect cook to the Neapolitan pizza anytime. So I can cook 1,000 pizzas here. The bottom stays always the same.
300 plus pizzas in 3 hours?
Yes.
That means
6. This is 550 is for 6 pizzas. Yes. I don't know if you have more.
We have another model that does 9 pizzas, so it's a bigger chamber.
Yeah, that's probably when you have a bigger restaurant, you guys should get the 9 one.
And you're able to manage 6 pizzas inside. How do you see? What did you see that's different maybe from this oven to other experiences in the temperature from the front, back?
It's super easy. When I open this, I don't know what is it. You can tell
chimney.
me that.
It opens the chimney, the vent.
So pulse.
Correct.
So when I open that and I have 6 pizzas inside, it cooks the pizza uniform. Only those 2 in the front, because you have the door, you have to just lightly turn it. It's easy. I suggest everyone to get this oven if especially you're a beginner or you are not in the pizza business for years. This is the oven that makes your life easy.
So, what about the proofer on the bottom? This is something that you said. What's this?
What the hell is that? I have to say, that's something next level, man. Next generation. Never see something like this. Usually, this is genius because you can control the actual temperature now. It's 40, but this one goes up to 60 Celsius. You know, you don't even know how many times I use this. You can proof focaccia, you can proof the dough, you can like speed up the process of fermentation. And look what I have here, because in a little bit we're going to make pizza, no? So I put the frozen dough in an hour. It was defrost. It's perfect. That's too much. Yes.
Apart from the Napoli-style pizza, what kind of other pizzas and doughs have you tried making in here?
So good question. We make Detroit style. We make Neapolitan style, we make New York style, Bari style, pinza romana, focaccia, bread. I was able to cook any type of pizzas here. Not possible to do it with any type of oven because you can do the opposite. You can lower down, but you cannot heat it up and lower down. You cannot do this game.
Using this oven for some time now, what would you say is your favorite feature of the oven?
The proofing cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is because that's what I really use. And also the thing that you go back and forth with the temperature, up and down with the temperature. That's my favorite thing.
So temperature control.
Yeah.
The speed to reach the temperature.
Yeah.
So do we want to see how it performs? What kind of pizza doughs do you have today?
Today we're gonna make Neapolitan style in a live right now, fast, just to show you how this oven works. Then I'm gonna drop the temperature to whatever I want to. I'm gonna cook some focaccia. I'm gonna cook again some pinza romana.
Nice.
That's all. let's go ahead and let's make a Neapolitan pizza. I want to show you live here how long it will take to cook the pizza.
Perfect.
Right now we have the oven at 400, let's see, 407 and about 300 on the bottom. I keep it close, I save time. Right now I'm gonna stretch the pizza. I'm gonna make a classic Neapolitan pizza live for you, and then we're gonna put the timer and see how long it will take. So make sure on the editing here we keep the time live. Voila. Gonna use tomato sauce, little bit of base. I'm gonna make a classic cheese pizza, you know, classic margherita Neapolitan style. Fresh mozzarella, olive oil everywhere. That helps to cook the pizza faster. And then Parmesan cheese on top. We open the oven. I'm gonna make the pizza the size of the PO, which is about 13 inches. Let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Ready? Boom! I'm gonna put the timer. I'm gonna put 2 minutes. Voila. We're 1 minute 58. Okay. Perfect. We're gonna be live here together to see how long it will cook. I'm not gonna do anything. This camera should be there. Okay, keep everything live. That's the power of the live. I like to be live, you know, because people need to see that we don't do any kind of everything here. Everything is true. Red. Good. So, the oven right now, it's cooking the pizza, okay? I'm not doing anything. I'm not gonna turn anything. No. Sometimes, you know, when you have 6 pizza, you have to turn it, just the one on the front, because
with this kind of oven, with a Napoli opening, you have some heat escaping from the front, but
sometimes if you want to do it like a super uniform, you are not in a rush, you want to make the pizza super perfect, the one on the back, you can just lightly turn it because you have a stone in the back, no? So that brings the heat much more. So sometimes it cooks faster there. So we're gonna check. Dimmi Zoe. Quello è marrone.
Vito, chiedono la temperatura e il tempo del forno.
Temperatura?
in
No. Right now the temperature is 407 Celsius and 294 Celsius. The pizza is ready. So look, we have 15. Hold on, a little bit more. It needs to be cooked a little bit more. We are about to 2 minutes. I want to say 2 minutes just to give it a nice crunch, but usually it takes fast. Look.
And the dough temperature before was room temp?
No, we have a little. So hold on, the pizza is cooked, like you can see. Rene, this is the pizza. You have a nice crunchy gold color. If you want to cook a little bit more crispy, you can cook it much more. But I think honestly the bottom is perfect.
Oh, beautiful.
Let's go ahead and let's cut the important thing of the pizza, the crust. So this is how, look at this, the crunchy and soft of the pizza.
Beautiful.
Did you see this? What we're gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead. So let's set up the oven at 300 Tori on the top. The bottom I like to keep always the same. I'm gonna wait about, I wanna say 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make a New York style, a thin crust pizza. Super thin and crunchy.
Perfect. Nice.
René, we just finished this video. Amazing.
Amazing. What do you think after everything we saw today?
I think this is the best oven for an electric world,
Thank you for that.
especially for beginners. But most importantly, you can cook any type of pizzas with any problem in soft and crunchy in the same time. Which one you want to taste?
I want to start with this focaccia
The
here.
focaccia. Ha! Shh. Did you hear that? Look at this, the soft crunch.
Perfect.
Hey, bite. That's what I'm talking about. I want to taste the
Pinza.
pizza. Pinza. Shh. That's what I like of this oven. That's why now I'm super happy. I'm not gonna change it because I can make all this style of pizzas. Thank you so much, René. Guys, if you wanna know more, link in description. Go ahead, share this video, and please, guys, watch the whole video to support this channel, to support the pizza. Thank you so much for my Vito. See you in the next one.